everybody, I'm going to be recording me reading a nature's walk, okay? So follow along. If you have a nature walk, please get it out and follow along. Okay, let's put a finger on the title. The title of the story is right here. A nature walk. The title matches the picture of the story. I see kids outside along a path, outside next to a tree, some bushes, there's some rocks and leaves on the ground, so it looks like they are in nature outside. Let's put a finger on the author right here, story by Irene, is it Walkley? And Barbara Wasik. Illustrations by Stephanie X. Rice. The author, there's two authors, and they're in charge of writing the words of the story. And then the illustrator is in charge of what? That's right, the pictures of the story. So please turn the page. Let's put our finger on the first word. Now repeat after me. On our nature walk, we see. On our nature walk, we see. What do we see? A spider. What do we see over here flying around? A ladybug. Turn the page. What do we see in the tree right here? A nest. What is she holding in her hand? That's right, a leaf. Turn the page. What is he looking at? A rock. Ooh, what do the kids find right here slithering in the grass? That's right, a snake. Turn to the last page. What do you say when you see a snake? Ah! Great job, everybody. Great job. So that is a nature walk. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.